Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can install Android Studio 11 on your PC. So the first thing we're going to do is that we're going to actually install the base Android Studio, and then we're going to install the Android 11 SDK to go along with it. So with Google, you want to search up Android Studio 11 like this, and then you want to click on this, set up the Android 11 SDK, right? Now from here, you have to scroll down and then first click this, get Android Studio, right? Wait for it to load. Click on this, download Android Studio Ladybug feature drop. Scroll down, click on this, download Android Studio, and then wait for it to download. It's actually quite big. It's about 1 gigabyte, so let's just wait for it to download. Now, after it's done downloading, let's try and install it. Click on run. Now you'll see that it'll be verifying here. Right? Click on yes. Click on next. Click on next again. Pick the place you want to download this. I'm just going to leave it on default. Click on next. Click on install. Let's wait for it to install. Once it's done installing, you'll see it'll say completed right here. Just click on next. Start Android Studio. Click on finish. Right. Let's wait for it to load. You can click whatever you want here. I'm just going to click don't send. Right. And then after this, just click on next. You can just choose what kind of setup you want. Right. I'm just going to do a standard one. Let's click on next. Click on next again. Now you can see that these are a couple of licenses that we need here. So just click on accept, click on finish. Now you'll see it'll be starting the download. So we'll have to wait for this to download again. Just give it a second. This might take a bit though, since this is quite a lot of data. Now, once it's done downloading, you'll see a page like this. I'll just click on finish here. And then it'll open Android Studio like this, right? Now let's just make a new project here. Let's just do something random. Let's just do an empty activity like this, right? Let's click on next. And then on here, you can see on our minimum SDK, we can select the dropdown, and you can see there's a lot of Android system here, like Android 5, 6, 7, 9. And you can see that we have Android 11 right here. There's also all the way up to Android 15 like this, right? So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.